If you are a mobile app developer and you are looking to download or configure an emulator on your Mac, then this video is for you. But it is actually pretty straightforward. Just come to this website. I'll put this link in the description. This is the Android Studio developers website. Download the Android Studio for your Mac and select this where you are agreeing to the terms and conditions of Android Studio. Then choose the Mac that you have got. If it is an M1, M2, M3, M4 Mac, then you can probably choose Mac with Apple chip. I've got a Mac Mini M4, so I'm going to choose this. Now it might take a little while to download this. Now I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to pull up my downloads folder where you see I've got this .dmg Android Studio file. I'm going to double click on this and I'll get this pop-up. Now, only thing I have to do is drag this to this applications folder. Now, I have already installed this, so I'm not going to do it again. After you have dropped this into your applications folder, it might take a little while for actual installation to happen. And also it might take a little while for your Mac's Spotlight search to index this application. So just hold on for a while. And after a while, just open your Spotlight, look for Android Studio and open it. Once you are inside the Android Studio, you will see a screen like this. And if you go to this more actions, go to virtual device managers over here. And over here, you see this create virtual device. Hit this link and you will see a list of available emulators that are possible with the installation that you did. So for now I'm going to choose Pixel 9. Then I'm going to hit next. I'm going to live with all the defaults that are mentioned over here and just hit finish. And with this, your emulator has been configured on Mac. Now let's say you want to use this emulator with VS Code. Let me close this and pull up my VS Code over here. Okay, so in VS Code, you will have to look for this extension called Android iOS Emulator and install that. Once you have done that, come to any project of yours, just hit Command Shift and P and search for emulator. And you will see this emulator coming up. Enter it and you will see this option to view Android emulators. Hit enter again and you will see the available or the configured emulator on your machine. So we configured Pixel 9, so I'm going to hit enter again. And it is saying that it is starting the emulator, and with that, my emulator has started running, and within a few seconds, you should see that Google logo coming up. So let's wait for a couple of more seconds and it should come to life. Yes, it has. So we see that Google logo is coming up. My mobile emulator is now coming to life. And yes, it is up and running now. And so now if you are working on a mobile app on your VS Code on your Mac, and if it is supposed to run on an emulator, you can easily run your app on this emulator. So if this video helped you and you find it useful for your use case, don't forget to hit the like button for this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.